channel. Today I'll be going through the crazy process of preparing myself for term 5, and I also am moving apartments as well, so this video is going to be jam-packed, so let's get started with moving in officially. I'm so not ready for this. So I just kind of wanted to show you the updated look right now. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, so I might be going to bed shortly because I'm exhausted from today. I just wanted to quickly show you around so you can see what it looks like right now. Morning. Today is already off to kind of a slower start because I'm still trying to wake up. Honestly, I didn't sleep the best last night because the bed is really hard, so I'm gonna see if I can find a full mattress topper. And then I need to get some pots and pans at the store today, and I was going to renew my ID today, but when I went to campus already, I was attacked by a lot of the birds, and unfortunately I forgot to bring my umbrella. So I need to buy an umbrella at the store as well because that is the only way to get them to stop dive bombing you. I did not come prepared this time, so I need to get myself an umbrella today. Good news is I am going to the store with one of my friends. I did place an order this morning for an IGA delivery, which is the grocery store here, and I chose to get it scheduled for Tuesday morning because I don't have any classes that morning. My food is on the way, at least, and I've gotten quite a bit of cleaning done already. Not really organization, the kitchen still looks like a mess, and when I opened up one of the containers today, it had a bunch of ants in it, so I'm not taking any chances. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean all of my kitchen supplies to make sure that there's no ants whatsoever. I can't believe school starts tomorrow. Doesn't seem real yet. off every term, I do make a Facebook post to my friends and family because a lot of them request to know what classes I'm taking and what I will be doing this semester. So to bypass some of the questions, I just announce like what type of classes I'm taking and to wish us luck. They will comment on that post and send me like some uplifting messages, and it really does make my day, and it gets me really excited to start the next day in classes, because let's face it, no one wants to be in class from 8:30 in the morning until like 6 or 7 o'clock at night. It's very draining and exhausting to think about and to plan everything. So I just do that to uplift myself in preparation for starting classes, usually the next day. So I've done that. I've done another load of dishes already, and I have about maybe 3 more loads of dishes to do before tomorrow. But for now, I'm just gonna relax a little bit because I'm still so tired, and I have to figure out what I'm going to buy at the store today, what I'm gonna buy from other students, what I'm personally gonna sell that I don't need anymore. I have been looking at my course site as well, but nothing's really been inputted in for tomorrow. I only have 1 lecture, I think, that I've downloaded and is ready to go for tomorrow's class. So we'll see how that goes. I'm just getting tired, and I have to start packing my bag for tomorrow as well. And it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. So I have a full day planned on getting myself ready for tomorrow. I am back from the store, so I just wanted to show you what I got. And I'm super excited for this. I got one of those rolling spice racks, and it's amazing. It's collapsible, and it goes all the way up, like with the instructions and stuff. Like, I cannot wait to set this up because this is gonna save me a lot of space, especially since I don't have a pantry here. Some other stuff, I got some ant repellent because I'm already having problems with ants, and I've only been here for a day, not even a full day yet, and I'm already having problems. And then I got a 2-gallon Ziploc package. Then I got a metal bowl for mixing stuff. And I got 2 containers to put my cereal in because I don't want to entice the ants more, and I don't want to keep losing all the food that I buy to ants. So hopefully this will work. And then my bathroom didn't come with a scrub brush, like a toilet brush. So I got one of those with a nice little holder. And I got a pan so I can do some egg whites in and do some tacos. I got an underbed storage bags, 2 of them, because I have plenty of room under my bed, but not enough storage in the closet, especially for my surgery stuff. So I bought this too. Then I did get some trash bags already, even though I have another order coming in on Tuesday. I just really needed some trash bags because I am already going through so much and throwing away and organizing stuff, so I needed that. But that's what I got today. I was planning on getting like a smaller pot, but they were completely sold out in a cereal container. That was also sold out, so I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy to find stuff on this island because they do sell out quickly out of everything. I couldn't find an umbrella either, so I'm looking online to see if someone's selling one. Honestly, I am so hungry, so I'm probably gonna order some food from the Greek kitchen and have that as like a later lunch, early dinner type of thing, and get everything set up here, get the ant bait set up, and organize a little bit more, probably do some more dishes. And then I also do have to read 2 personal statements that I'm just helping some students out with, so I need to review those before tomorrow. But first, I'm getting some food. Today is coming to a close. I pretty much have everything prepared for tomorrow. I put together my daily to-do list, and I was just kind of sitting here and thinking about what I can do differently this year in comparison to what I did last year, because last year was rough. It was very difficult in so many ways, and it wasn't just all to do with classes. There was so much going on at one point, and seriously considered dropping out or transferring to a different university. I took this summer to think about what actually happened, and I'm kind of surprised and shocked at myself that I didn't actually drop out, because it was that bad at one point, and it felt like everything came crashing down at one point. But I'm really proud of myself that I made it through that year. I'm not going to go into too much detail about what happened, because I'm still trying to process what happened. But after breaking up with my boyfriend, things definitely changed, but honestly it was probably for the best. Even though it really hurt in the moment to break up with him, I'm really grateful I did after everything that's happened. And I took this summer to do all of my medical stuff to get checked, and unfortunately I found some things that the doctors were quite unhappy with, so I have to do additional testing when I get back home in December, but I'm hoping that will be it afterwards for my medical appointments for a while. And I really took this summer to heal as much as possible, because I was so burnt out after term 4. And I'm really glad that I decided to move as well, because that has already made a significant difference. I feel a lot safer, I feel more comfortable in my own space again, and that's what I really needed, to really focus on myself again. But I've been trying to come up with ways on how to help alleviate some of the stress that I had last year, and I think I came up with a couple of good ways, just like making sure I stick to an actual schedule, like a sleep schedule, and try and do things that make me happy, not just constantly focusing on class or on research or on my YouTube channel, but focusing more on me. And I wasn't really doing that last year, but I'm gonna make it a priority this year to actually do things that I want to do. I'm super excited for this term, because this is the time where we will be doing our first surgeries, we will be speaking with clients for the first time, and we will literally be doing more hands-on than we ever have before. So I'm super excited to share this part of vet school with you, and I do hope you enjoy it. Next week I will be showing you what my first week is like as a third-year vet student, because it is going to be crazy, because we have a lot of meetings to discuss clinical year, we have discussions with surgery stuff. I hope you did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!